Go in front view and adjust the shape. Select the upper edges and extrude it. Then adjust according to the image. Try to keep the flow of the wireframe according to the contours of the head. Switch to side view and adjust the shape. Select the lower edges of the shape, extrude it and adjust it. Keep refining in all views and balance the number of vertices in upper and lower parts of the eyes so it can be closed properly during animation. Merge these two vertices. This time I'm using merge vertex tool. Right click and choose merge vertices, merge vertex tool. Select the corresponding vertices and hit enter. Continue refining vertices in all views. You will see a lot of refining vertices and edges. It's kind of boring, but that's how it works. We are trying to keep it as simple as we can. That's why we are using a very little set of tools and techniques to build this model. So keep patience. Switch in all views and tweak the vertices. Now we are done with the basic shape of the eye and it will be extended to the other parts of the face. But we'll come back for the eyes after some time to refine it more. Select these two edges and extrude it and position it along the central grid axis. Scale it in x-axis to make it straight. Switch to the side view and match it with the shape of the nose. Select the edge, extrude it, and match it in side view. Press the T key to select the previous tool and continue with extrude and matching the shape. Switch to vertex mode and refine it. Extrude more. Here you can see a large gap, so I'm going to insert some edges. Create the basic structure of nose, then you can insert more loops to achieve the shape. You can press the G key to repeat the last command. Select this edge and extrude it to create lower part of the nose. Go to the side view and move it to the base of the nose. Insert more loops to make it rounder and smoother. Move vertices to match the shape. Repeat this process until you get the desired effect. You may need to do a lot of tweaking to match it properly. Move vertices to refine the shape and keep editing in other views. Also make sure you check it in perspective view regularly, otherwise you may get some weird shape. Add more loops when required, but be careful when adding extra loops, it may create undesired deformations in animation if not done properly. Understand the muscles of the face and keep contours balanced. Go in perspective view, check it, edit it if required. Alright, basic shape of the nose is done. Now we'll work on lips and chin. This process is quite repetitive. You extrude from existing edges, tweak vertices or edges to create the desired shape, then adjust in all views and check your final result in perspective. But this is not the only way to create it. You may use different set of tools or methods. Now extrude again to create lips. Scale it down. Move back in side view. Merge these two vertices. Add more loops and move out in perspective to make lips more rounder. Adjust them in other views. Add two more loops again. Extrude the upper lip to connect it with nose. Extrude lower lip to create chin. Merge these two vertices to keep upper and lower lip contours balanced. Extrude it again. Merge these two vertices with nose. Keep creating new faces, merging them, adjusting them. Now our basic structure of eyes, nose and mouth is complete. Tweak it a little bit more to refine. Now we have to fill up the cheek area, so select these edges and extrude it again. Once the basic structure is done properly, it is easier to maintain the remaining shape. Slowly the shape of the face is becoming more apparent. This last edge of the lip will go towards the ear, so whenever you extrude, keep that in mind. Start completing the cheek area by extruding and merging with eyes. Add more loops to cheek so it match up with the edges of the eyes. Merge the vertices carefully. Create extra loops if needed. Extrude from eyes. Move last edge towards ear. Adjust other vertices in side view and front view. Make it look rounder. Extrude upper part of the eyes to create forehead. Insert an edge to match it better with the image. Adjust vertices in different views. Use merge vertices tool to join it with the shape. Tweak more vertices. check in different views. Go in front view and carefully position these vertices of the left side of the wireframe to align it with the central grid axis, because we will mirror the geometry later on to form the full face. If there is any misplaced vertex, it will create problems. Select these three edges and extrude it. Adjust it by switching in different views. Now I'm going to add an edge here. This will help us to match it with the edges that we created earlier. Tweak more.